It's always a journey, not a destination. In terms of treating cancer, it's not a monolithic disease. There's a lot of different aspects of it. But what's amazing is the progress we've made in cell therapy over, say, the last 7 or 8 years. And I think because the initial progress was so amazing that the expectations are sky high for cell therapy. I love that because we should have these high aspirations. One of the ways these aspirations were set was one of the first patients, actually the first pediatric patient treated with a CD19 CAR T, has become literally the poster child for the industry. Her name is Emily Whitehead. When she was 6 years old, 6 years old, she was diagnosed with childhood leukemia. And unfortunately, all available treatments failed to halt her cancer. And so after a few years of trying these available treatments, her parents were basically told, take her home. Here's the number for hospice, and just enjoy the short time you have left with her, 3 to 6 months. Luckily, her parents didn't give up and found that a new clinical trial had just opened for CAR T cells just 2 weeks before this. And so she was enrolled as the first patient. They removed some of her T cells, engineered those in the lab, reinfused those to her. She had a very severe reaction to those cells, actually went into a coma and was near death. But then quite a lot of fight in that little girl. She came out of the coma, and David, 30 days later, they scanned her for cancer. And where before the treatment, her body was essentially riddled with cancer, at that first scan, it was undetectable. That treatment that she had been given, she has never gotten another treatment for cancer since then. 12 years later, she's undergraduate at University of Pennsylvania, has never gotten another treatment for cancer, and has her whole life in front of her.